Did you know that nearly 36% of the US workforce is now part of the gig economy? That's over 57 million people finding flexible, high-paying opportunities right from their living rooms. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, middle-class Americans are finding innovative ways to boost their income from the comfort of their homes. If you've ever wondered how you can tap into this booming trend and make an extra $500 a week, you're in the right place. My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 super cool ways middle-class earners are leveraging the gig economy to transform their financial lives. These jobs offer flexibility and can easily fit into your busy schedule. Stick around till the end of this video to get some practical advice on how to make an extra $500 cash from the comfort of your home. Are you ready? Grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started.
Let's do this.
Voiceover artist. First up, let's talk about becoming a voiceover artist. Have you ever been told you have a great voice? Well, guess what? You might be sitting on a gold mine. Voiceover artists lend their voices to commercials, audiobooks, animations, and video games. And the best part? You can do it all from home with just a microphone and some basic recording equipment, like a pop filter, that helps reduce plosive sounds like P and B that can cause distortion in your recordings. Audio interface, which converts your microphone's analog signals into digital signals that your computer can process. Digital audio workstation, a software for recording, editing, and producing audio. Popular options include Audacity, which is free, and Adobe Audition. Headphones, microphone stand, or boom arm, to position your microphone correctly and keep it stable. Then lastly, a quiet recording space. Ever wondered who voices your favorite cartoon characters? Yep, that's a voiceover artist at work. It's like being a behind-the-scenes star. And the cool thing is, you don't need to be a celebrity to get started. So, what do you need to get started? First, you'll need good vocal skills. Practice reading scripts and try to bring the words to life. Imagine you're telling a story to a friend. Make it engaging. Next, you'll need a quiet recording space and some basic recording equipment. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy studio. Just a good microphone and some soundproofing. You can even use blankets and pillows to create a makeshift sound booth. Voiceover artists can make anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour depending on the project. Some top earners even make up to $200 per hour. Not bad for talking into a mic, right? If you work 5 to 10 hours a week, that's an easy $500 in your pocket. To land your first gig, you'll need a demo reel showcasing your voice. This is like your voice portfolio. Record a few different scripts to showcase your range. You can find free scripts online or even write your own. Once you have your demo, you can start looking for jobs on platforms like voices.com and Fiverr. These sites are great for beginners and have tons of opportunities.
Really? So I can finally add voiceover acting to my resume?
The global voiceover industry is expected to reach $6.5 billion by 2025. That's a lot of talking. And if you need some inspiration, check out Sissy Jones, who made an estimated $150,000 in 2021, and Mark Grau, who earned around $200,000 in 2022. So if you've got a good voice and a bit of creativity, voiceover work could be your ticket to making extra cash from home. All right, let's move on to our next awesome gig, being a virtual assistant. Could you be someone's right-hand person from the comfort of your home? Absolutely. So, what does a virtual assistant do? They handle tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media management. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this job could be perfect for you. Think of it as being a professional helper or a personal assistant, making sure everything runs smoothly for your clients. But you get to work in your pajamas. To be a successful virtual assistant, you'll need strong organizational skills, good communication skills, and a bit of tech savviness. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Just comfortable with tools like email, calendars, and social media. Being proactive and resourceful will also go a long way. Virtual assistants can make $15 to $30 per hour. If you work 20 to 30 hours a week, that's an easy $500 in your pocket. Experienced VAs can make up to $60 per hour. And did you know that the demand for virtual assistants is expected to grow by 10% annually?
An assistant? Your assistant?
That's a lot of job opportunities. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork, Remote.co, and Zirtual. These sites connect you with clients looking for help with various tasks. Need some motivation? Look at Kayla Sloan, who made an estimated $100,000 in 2020, and Horky Handbook, who earned around $75,000 in 2021. If they can do it, so can you. So if you're organized and love helping others, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great way to make an extra $500 a week from home. Moving on to our third gig, virtual bookkeeping. Let's talk about a job for all you number lovers out there. Virtual bookkeeper. Love numbers? This next job could be perfect for you. Virtual bookkeepers manage financial records and prepare reports for businesses, all from home. It's like being a financial detective, making sure everything adds up.
Freeze!
If you're detail-oriented and good with numbers, this job could be a great fit. You'll be helping businesses keep their finances in order, which is super important. To be a successful bookkeeper, you'll need attention to detail and proficiency with accounting software. Don't worry, you don't need to be a certified public accountant, just comfortable with numbers and willing to learn. There are plenty of online courses that can teach you the basics of bookkeeping. To find virtual bookkeeping jobs, check out platforms like Bookminders, Belay, and Upwork. These sites connect you with businesses looking for bookkeeping help. The national average salary for a bookkeeper is around $22 per hour, but top earners can make up to $60 per hour. And the bookkeeping industry is projected to grow by 6% through 2028.
I have nothing to report.
That's a steady stream of job opportunities. Take inspiration from Ben Robinson, who made an estimated $150,000 in 2021, and Denitha Doe, who earned around $120,000 in 2020. They turned their number-crunching skills into a lucrative career. So if you're detail-oriented and love working with numbers, virtual bookkeeping could be your path to making an extra $500 a week from home. Last but not least, let's talk about a job for those of you who love to teach: online tutoring. Do you have a passion for teaching? You can turn that into income from home by becoming an online tutor. Online tutors provide academic support to students over the internet. It's like having a virtual classroom where you can help students succeed. It's a rewarding job that lets you share your knowledge and make a difference.
And that will change the world.
If you're knowledgeable in a subject and love helping others, this job could be perfect for you. You'll be making a real difference in students' lives.
You teach online?
Yes.
To be a successful tutor, you'll need subject expertise and good communication skills. You don't need to be a certified teacher. Just know your stuff and be able to explain it well. Patience and creativity are also key, as you'll be finding ways to make learning fun and engaging. To find online tutoring jobs, check out platforms like VIPKID, CHEGGTUTORS, and TUTOR.com. These sites connect you with students looking for help in various subjects. The national average salary for an online tutor is around $20 per hour, but experienced tutors can make up to $60 per hour, and the online tutoring market is expected to grow by 15% annually. That's a lot of students who need help. Need some inspiration? Look at Nancy Taylor, who made an estimated $100,000 in 2021, and the online tutor coach who earned around $90,000 in 2020. They've turned their passion for teaching into a profitable career. So, if you love teaching and want to make a difference, online tutoring could be your way to make an extra $500 a week from home. So there you have it. 4 fantastic ways to make an extra $500 a week from home. Whether it's lending your voice, organizing schedules, managing finances, or teaching online, these flexible gigs can fit into your busy life.
Getting paid.
Start exploring these opportunities today and watch your income grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money from home. And if you have any questions or need more info, drop a comment below. Your journey to financial freedom could be just one clever idea away. Catch you in the next video.